My mutant's been having way too much fun over here in his little corner, so we're about to ruin his day. Right now he's basically invincible because he's just a mesh, he's just decorative. So we're going to stick him inside a static body. I'm going to add a static body 3D, and it's kind of in the wrong spot right now. The static body is going to be in the middle of my game, so I'm going to drag hip hop dancing character onto the static body. Then I'm going to reset the transform back to 000 for my hip hop dancing character. Let's rename the static body 3D mutant and group it all together. So now I can move my mutant around. F, refocus. There's my mutant. And I also need to add my collision box to this static body 3D. Add, right-click, collision shape. And maybe we'll make this a capsule type. That's what we added for the character. And mutant looks quite a lot like a character, so we're going to use a capsule shape. I'm going to drag that up off the ground. It's not quite that tall. I'm going to shrink that down a little bit. He's pretty hefty though, so I'm going to make it a bit wider as well. Looks like a reasonable collision box for my mutant. Looks like it might be off-centered slightly sometimes. Drag it just out there. Kind of depends what he's doing. It's a reasonable collision box. So now my mutant is a body, and I'll be able to confirm that because I can shoot at him. See, my bullets explode when they hit him. That means they know he's a body. Oh, look, he's right in the path of my ball, so I better do something to get rid of him. I am going to add a group to this mutant. I click on groups, and this will be nice because it means if there's something else I want to shoot later, I can add it to the same group. I click add, and I'm going to call the group Shootable. So anything in my whole game that I think should be shootable, I can add to the Shootable group. Now I'm going to go to the bullet script, and I'm going to check if I've hit something shootable. So here in my bullet script, I'm going to check if the body that I've just collided with is in group shootable, and if it is, then I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete body.q3. So I'm already deleting the bullet, but now I'm also going to be deleting anything it hits that counts as shootable. So if I shoot this ball, it won't disappear. Oops! But I shot the mutant, and he disappeared because he was shootable. Can't shoot the ball, can shoot the mutant because he's in the shootable group. Just to prove that that's how things are working, maybe I should go to the ball and add the same group to the ball as well. Now the ball's in two groups. It's in the shootable group, which means if I aim a little bit better, I'm going to make sure I hit the ball disappears because it's shootable. And now my poor mutant, goodbye mutant, is going to be shot as well, and he disappears because he's in the shootable group. But if I shot something that's not shootable, like the goal or the platforms over here, they're not going to disappear because they're not in the shootable group. That's pretty nice.